Say hi.
Hi.
Now tell them what you're doing.
And again, finishing installing this reservoir thing. I already got my hole drilled down here to get the bolt that broke out of there. Now installing new hardware, or new screws and bolts into it so I can get it mounted.
Why is that reservoir hook also broken?
Which one? It's not. It's meant to be that way. That might be a little bit of an issue. Well, they're supposed to be the same thread, but it does not look like they are. That ain't gonna work. Let me see if I can. Yeah, that might work better for me. So I'm actually gonna have to change how I'm doing this, because it's supposed to be the same thread as what I had here, but it's not. It sometimes happens, so I'm not too terribly angry, son of a bitch. You know, it's what happens sometimes when you're done with this stuff, is that it don't go to plan. And that's what happened here, is it did not go to plan. So I'm gonna put this bolt in here. And I got the nut that goes on the back of that. I'm just gonna go underneath everything there. And just tighten the two together. Kind of like that. Remove that to where you need it. And tighten this one down, because it does have that washer on it. And that should hold it all together. Now you come under here, where you removed your headlight at. Make sure you got it unhooked from all of these clips here so you can move it as you need to. gonna be a tight fit, so be prepared to fight with it a little bit. That should do the trick right there. Just take it, slide it in there, slide it in there, slide it in there. Move your headlight out of the way. Move your Dr. Pepper out of the way.
Cherry?
Yes, Dr. Pepper cherry. At this point, I forgot 2 of my pieces inside, and I will be right back to go get those.
Want me to pause it?
Oh, yeah, that was